Hello and welcome. I found an open source game that I would like to build, and apparently there's an easy way to do so using Docker. So I'm going to download Docker. I suppose I will have to create an account for that. Alright, so here I am. Let's get Docker. It's 500 megabytes, oh boy. Meanwhile, I'm going to download a zip of this code base. And I'm going to copy this line. Alright, here we are. Check out this cute icon. What a cutie. Alright, let's launch Docker. I mean the installer. Okay, so that's gonna download stuff. Sure, let's add shortcut, use Windows containers instead of Linux containers. I don't know what that means. And there it goes installing. Meanwhile, let's extract this. Alright. I probably will need to copy this path. Seriously? You must log out of Windows to complete Dude. Alright. Alright, so I just logged in and now this started. Features not enabled. Would you like to enable them for Docker to be able to work properly? Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, so my computer restarted twice. And this stuff is going on in the bottom. This was already happening before. Then it asked me to enable Hyper-V, which I guess it did now. Okay, I'm just waiting for this to progress. Docker desktop is starting. It's a bit slow in starting. Well, I guess we're done with that part. Just need this part. Okay. Oh no. Do I have to log in? Alright, let's do that. So let's try to figure this out. We're in here. There's no docking going on here. Docker build, source, misc, docker, docker files, windows build. Maybe if we navigate there manually. Source, misc, docker, windows. Can't even write Windows right. There's no context menu entry. There's no association. I guess we're gonna just go to root, open PowerShell. Let's see, Docker. Docker is in here. All right, let's just try to do this. Okay, sending build context to Docker daemon 10 megabytes. Pulling from Sago Docker block attack. So now it's pulling stuff. I have no idea what kind of stuff. I'm just gonna wait for this to finish, right? Okay, this is red. Let's hope that is not a problem. Oh my goodness, it's actually building. Apparently it installed or downloaded. What did it? I think it's using CMake, right? So it got CMake manually, no, automatically, without me doing anything. That's pretty good. I apparently got all the dependencies, which would be this list of things, which I am so freaking glad I don't have to get this stuff manually and compile it semi-automatically, possibly. 100%? Are you for real? Does it really work? Non-Windows Docker host. What does that mean? All right. So now that we finished that, where do I find the files? All right, to copy files, we need to create a container. So let's go for Docker create, and then I'm just going to copy this. Docker ps. I guess we're going to copy this now. And now we're going to use Docker cp, and I want to copy from this freaking long code container :/staging. That's from where I wanted to copy. And it seems to be working, maybe. Okay. So here it is, the staging folder that got copied. This is 72 megabytes. Package is in here. And it's working. Alright, it is indeed working, and I can play this game. And this is apparently how you use Docker. Maybe there are other ways. Good to know, don't you think? I hope this was useful. Leave any questions in the comments. This has been amazingly successful, a bit confusing, but I'm happy with it. Again, write in the comments if you have any problems. Maybe I can help or somebody else who reads this stuff. Give this video a like if it was at all useful, and I will read you in the comments. Until next time, ciao!